Okay, for this part of the video, I'm going to use Riley as an example, and we're going to do the review of the scales, the sharps that each scale uses, and then today I'm going to show you an easy way to find the next scale in order after you play the first scale. So let's get started. All right, Riley, we're going to play first the scale that doesn't use any sharps or flats.
Which is the C major scale.
Okay, good. It's the C major scale. So just do the right hand first. Okay, nice job. Now look at where your pinky is when you're in the C position. What note is your pinky over?
It's on G.
All right, so notice the very next scale in order is the G major scale. How many sharps does the G scale use?
One. Sorry.
One is right. And what sharp is that?
F sharp.
F sharp. All right, so we're going to start on G, and then we're going to put our F sharp in when we get almost to the end. Thumb under.
Wait, sorry, let me redo that. We all have second chances, so if you make a mistake, just fix it and try again. So do that G scale one more time. Awesome. Now look and see where your pinky is. It's on D.
So if it's on D, that's the scale that uses how many sharps?
2.
And what sharps?
F and C.
So you use that sentence, fat cows go dancing at every ball, and the first two words are fat cows. So we use our F sharp and a C sharp in the D major scale. All right, so let's just bring our hand back down to here.
Okay.
And that way we can see it better in my video. This is the D position. The D scale uses 2 sharps. Okay, here we go. Good job. Now backwards. Okay, now look and see where your pinky is in the D position.
It's on A.
It's on an A. Good job. And how many sharps will we use in the A major scale?
3.
3. What are those sharps?
F sharp, C sharp, and G sharp.
Okay, so we'll begin on an A, and we're using 3 sharps. Here we go. Good job. Now, where is your pinky now?
It's on E.
So our very next scale is an E scale. And what are the 4 sharps that we use in the E scale?
F sharp, C sharp, G sharp, and D sharp.
Okay, let's try the E scale.
Wait, 1 second, I apologize.
Thumb under. Okay, let's start that again.
Yeah.
We've got to do it. E, F sharp, G sharp, thumb under, B, C sharp, D sharp, 4th finger, and end on E. Okay, do it one more time. That's your second try.
Oh, I did that wrong.
B, C sharp, D sharp, E. Backwards. Okay, good job. Now, let's see. This time, don't forget, all of you are going to play the left hand as well. Just come down and do the C major scale in your left hand. back after you do your first round with the right hand, then you're going to do your left hand. Just show me your left hand. You'll use all 5 notes in the C major scale. Cross 3 over, and then when you go backwards, you do 3 and under. Okay, now your pinky is here. So where is your thumb?
Should be on G.
So move your pinky there, and
F.
you're ready. No, G was
G.
right. Now you're ready to play the next scale in order, which is the G scale. 5 fingers first. Cross 3 over. Play your F sharp. Play 3 and then go under, coming down. Check and see where's your thumb in the left hand.
Be on D.
If it's on a D, then move your pinky down here to D. Remember what sharps you're going to use.
F sharp and C sharp.
Good. Now play 5 fingers in a row using your F sharp. Oops, you missed your F sharp.
Yep, sorry.
A. 3 goes over. A C sharp, and then D. All right. Thumb under.
Sorry.
Okay, so that's what I want everybody to do. After you do the right hand of your scales, then I want you to do your left hand and to go through that same process of looking at your list. The C scale, no sharps or flats. The G scale uses 1 and so forth. So have that in front of you as you're doing it. Also, I want you to check your hand position. All right, Riley, I want you to play that C major scale, and I want you to pretend that you've got that penny on top of your hand. Rest. And just make sure you're curved and you have those fingertips playing. I'm going to check her hand position as she's playing and see if that penny would stay on her hand, on the top of her hand, or not. And backwards. That's a pretty good job. All right, now let's do something else. Let's do for everyone that scale that we love to do as a warm-up, where we have a skip at the bottom, and today we're actually going to play it going all the way up, and then we're going to turn around and play it coming back down. So left hand, it was going to be on a C, and right hand is going to be on a C, and we're going to put our skip at the bottom. So you're going to be skipping from 5 and moving the 4 over so that you leaving out a note at the bottom here, and you're leaving out a note.
You should be leaving out B or to D.
You're leaving out your D in both hands. So that's a D skip there, and that's a D skip here. And then that will move us up 1 note each time we play it so that we can keep going until we get an octave higher. All right, so let's do it slowly and keep that good hand position. And then this will be for them to practice after they watch this. Make sure that the right hand's on the C and the left hand's on the C. Stop there, and now look and see where your either your thumb or your pinky is.
It should be on A,
G. It's on a G. So if you were counting up to the 5th note in the scale, C, D, E, F, G, that's where you're going to be starting when you come backwards. But now here's the tricky part. We're not going to put the skip at the bottom.
This is not how it should look.
Well, no, let's go with the way we're going to do it so that we don't confuse anybody. Okay, so we're going to start on G, and we're going to skip the note at the top so that our second finger is going from G to E, not G to F. Okay, so here we go going down.